Hello everyone, we are now at Georgina, Ontario. We came here today to drive over the frozen lake Simcoe. In our previous video, Rotary Frenchman's Bay, we shared some winter activities on a frozen bay. Those activities were ice skating, ice hockey, etc. Today we'll show you how does it look like to drive a car over a frozen lake. Sabrina and I both were excited, so we tried to slide our car over the ice surface and really had fun. Please enjoy the video till the end to see some more car driving and sliding shots. Though I would not recommend this to anyone, if you really want to slide your car, please make sure to be extra cautious when you are driving and sliding your car on this frozen lake. The ice surface here is almost 15 to 20 inches thick and temperature is negative 15 degrees Celsius. I heard there were some incidents happened in the past due to the ice surface was not that hard and maybe the temperature was not in favor. So make sure to check those before you drive here. We came to the Royal Beach at Georgina from Toronto and then drove from Royal Beach to Georgina Island over the frozen lake Simcoe and then came back to Royal Beach. Lake Simcoe looks really beautiful during summer. Please check out our first drone video, Sentinel Park Barrie, which we shot on another side of Lake Simcoe. I will put the links of both videos, Rotary Frenchman's Bay and Sentinel Park Barrie, in the description section below. So let's enjoy the beautiful frozen Lake Simcoe. Thank you for staying with us. If you like our videos, please do subscribe to our ES Studio channel. Also hit the like button below and leave a comment if you have any suggestion. Thank you.